So many of you know yellow yam, right? This is yellow yam. But check out this. This is two different kinds of yellow yam. Can you see the color? The difference in the color? Check it out. Two different kinds. Yeah, yellow yam. One is lighter. They're both yellow, but one is lighter than the other. So one is darker than the other. Life lesson 101. Yes, you may be the same in name, as yellow yam is called nam or name, but listen, you may be the same in name, but you look different. Yeah, that's a great life lesson. Yep, yellow yam. Two kinds of yellow yam. I don't know the difference in if it is the soil that causes it to be different, but yeah, quite interesting. Many varieties in life, and this is two of them right here on my plate. Awesome. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.